I just wanted to play with my new toy, and I thought I'd make a video while I do it. So I saw a whole bunch of crazy grass in the ditches over here. It's just on the side of the road. I don't think it's anyone's property. I think the county owns it. You know, of course, there's an easement. So I just thought I'd go mow it just for fun, but I wanted to share it with you what this mower can do. And it is nuts. It's nuts. So follow along with me. I'm going to show you this because it's really nuts. Okay, I literally just saw some grass in a ditch on the side of the road and drove over here and unloaded the mower, and I'm testing that out. So I guess I need to start tall. Keep the deck high, and then drop the deck down. So I got the deck high now. That's nuts. It's a monster. It's hungry and it's gonna eat. I mean, what else is there to do? What else is there to see? If it could do what it just did, it can kind of do anything. I don't know. How do I even beat that? It climbed a cliff. It mowed stuff taller than me. Look at this. Legit. Taller than me. Done. I don't even know what to say. Well, I can't say it's noisy driving on pavement. It's noisy anytime, but it's super noisy on pavement. Here we go. Let's try this. Let me give you a closer look. Yeah.
So electric for the drive motor?
Yep.
How long does the battery last? Does it charge while it's doing... Zeus, back up.
Yeah, it charges while the drives. Yeah, check this out. Oops. Alternator.
Well, I saw it.
Isn't that crazy? Yeah, that thing's pretty wicked.
How long does the battery last?
It charges one of your mow. Isn't that thing crazy?
What is motorized? Just the mower head?
Yeah.
Or just the engine part? Yeah.
Just the blades.
Nah, what is that thing? What does it do?
It's a lawnmower.
Lawnmower. I just finished up mowing. I loaded it back into the K truck. Holy cow. Holy cow. If you guys didn't watch this video all the way through, you were missing out on one of the coolest lawnmower toys, adult man toys I've ever seen. It's crazy. So I'm gonna get packed up. We're gonna head home. But wow. Just wow. And this little K truck is the perfect transport vehicle. I don't know if you can tell how big this mower is, but it fills the entire bed of this little K truck. Except for just a little bit of extra room for the ramps. But holy cow. I'm telling you, if you see one of these things at an auction or a marketplace, that is awesome. That's a cool toy. All right. If you want to see more cool toys on the channel, outdoor stuff, tracks, motors, just, I don't know, just crazy stuff, follow along. This K truck, I always go to the wrong side. Thanks for sticking around. Like and subscribe. We'll see you on the next one. Back for the camera, as usual.